Hello and welcome back to the Peej's Workshop. Gonna be continuing the interior of Ray's Diner. Gonna put in some booths. So cut pieces up out of the box, the Pepsi box. I looked up dimensions for typical diner booths and yeah, got pretty close to it using my scale ruler. Tried to color coordinate as best I could. So you got plenty of sitting space for patrons to enjoy a good cheeseburger. Also got some clear plastic from I don't know, some shell thing. You know, those clear plastic shells that everything comes in nowadays. Put in the windows and the front door. Looks pretty good. Well, that's all for me for now. See ya! I think I'm gonna have a cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.